Hello everyone, it's Hannah here with another quick tutorial. In today's sheet leveler video, I'm going to show you how to format numbers as currency in Microsoft Excel. This should be a straightforward tutorial, so let's jump right into it. As you can see, I have a column here of different numbers, and we want to turn this into currency. To do that, all we have to do is select the entire column, right-click, and then left-click on Format Cells. Once you're underneath Format Cells, you want to click on the Currency option on the left side here. You now have the ability to show a $sign if you want to. If not, just select None. You can also choose how many decimal places you want to display, which is usually set to 2. Lastly, you can choose how you want to display negative numbers. If you want to show a minus sign, or in parentheses, whichever you prefer. Let's say we want to show the symbol, and we want negative numbers to appear in parentheses. Just select those options, set it to 2 decimal places, and click OK. And there you go, guys. You've successfully formatted your numbers as currency. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thank you for watching. I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.